Hi, everybody. Welcome to Lesson 2.5, creating a question inside of Google Classroom. A question is another way of talking about or setting up like a discussion board post for those of you that might have taken online classes before, or that's a component of the course. So we're here on the stream, but we're going to move over to classwork, and we're going to create down here at the bottom a question. And so this looks very similar to the assignment interface, but this really is a discussion board question that's going to show up on the stream and allow students to respond to your question and kind of keep a running dialogue, very similar to like a Facebook post where you can comment on other people's comments, go back and forth. So this is something you might want to use, especially if you're considering some sort of blended learning, maybe flipped classroom. Once again, we can post it to multiple classes. We can choose the option to differentiate it for other students if we don't want to use everyone. We can create the question here and under instructions. So for example, you might want to say, you need to respond to the question and you need to respond to 2 other students. That's a really popular, sort of structure for online courses. You can do point values. Everything looks pretty similar. Same attachments if you want an attachment, especially if you want them to watch a video and then respond to the question based on the video. There's our YouTube links, our web links, our Google documents, and our true attachments. The buttons that are new down here on the bottom are students can reply to each other. So that's a feature you might want on if you want them commenting back and forth to one another. You can also turn that off. You can also flip on students can edit answer, meaning once they've responded, they can actually go back in and edit their own answer. So you may think about how you want that to be structured if you want to use it that way. Once again, we've got the same options. We can ask right now. We can schedule it for a later post, or we can save the draft. I wanted to show you what this looks like. So if I ask this question right now, it's going to post. Now, if I move over, it's going to post in the stream. So it doesn't show up necessarily as classwork. It shows up in the stream, and you see this question logo here. And so then you can go in. Here's your interface. You can see the student answers. So you can scroll through and you would be able to see student by student their answers or any responses that they had. Or you can flip over to the question and you'd be able then to see the entire sort of chronological history of that question. So that's a great way to use it in class or out of class. To pose a question, create some discussion, give every kid a chance to have their voice be heard. Thanks.